Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing Symbolt EO, a tool that claims to cut revision time in half with a design platform built for co-creation. It's a new design alternative that's a kind of strong statement, but let's take a look at it and how it can help us during our workflow. So Symbolt is a collaborative design platform that lets clients tweak copy without breaking the design. So it's aimed for agencies that want to create InDesign type of archives or assets, building it together with their clients. So I'd like to create ebooks, business presentations, typed presentations, those kind of, copy that are more like ebooks or leading magnets to clients. You can upload your client's copy as a Microsoft Word document and choose an expertly created template to work on. So clients can, collaborate with you while you are creating your InDesign-like archive. Let's take a look at the tool and you will understand better the kind of design tool that we are referring to. And you can see here that we have three different kind of license, and the difference here is the number of designers accounts. So if you get more codes, you're gonna get actually more accounts for the designers, more accounts for your teammates. So more codes, more teammates on your account. For solo entrepreneurs, of course, one tier would be enough. Let's take a look at the tool and see how it works. The whole process here is easy to understand. You have here possibility to create a project from scratch or to drag and drop a doc file to start your project. And here you're gonna see the template. You can see here that they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 templates here. I'm gonna show you, for instance, that one art museum template. So here, as you can see, that InDesign kind of project, to creating magazines or ebooks. You can even use that tool to create your lead magnets if you don't want to wait so much time with InDesign. It will give you a faster solution. You can see here now the law firm template. Can you see it here? Okay. So now I'm gonna drag and drop a doc file to create a project. So I dragged the doc here and I'm gonna click on next. And then after you upload your Word doc, you're gonna choose one of the templates. For the sake of that review, I'm gonna select that one. So I'm gonna create a project based on that template. Then Symbolt will create based on the template and the text on the doc the actual project where my text is spread between different pages of the doc, and then you can edit the objects and the text in a way that you could create faster magazine projects or an ebook. So based on that page here, let's see what we can do. Have a button here to undo and redo. Selection, so that one. You can create rectangles and also circles, so objects and lines like that. You can use a pencil and you can add more text manually. You have a feature here to add comments, since that's a tool that's built into, to work together with your client to create your design mockups or your final design as well. You can click here to share the tool, the project to your client. You can save the project as a template and export it as a PDF, JPG, and PNG. So overall, it's a tool to create magazines and, ebooks. I don't have much to comment about that tool. You are seeing the design and the features are pretty straightforward. So that's it. I think they are starting now. They need to improve a bit the editor and add new features and also maybe more templates. And I just did an overview to show up the tool for you. I hope you like it. So if you want to get to know more about the tool, just click in the description. In summary, you're going to use it to build your projects, your magazines and ebooks with your clients or teammates. Thank you so much. Bye bye.